If you want to grow your glutes like this, then this video is only for you. So let's start our today workout. Our first exercise is butt bridge. Do this for 30 seconds. Our second exercise is side leg lift left. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Take a rest of 30 seconds. Our third exercise is side leg lift right. Do this also for 30 seconds. Our fourth exercise is this. Do this also for 30 seconds. Take a rest of 30 seconds. Our fifth exercise is this. Do this for 30 seconds. Our second exercise is glute kickback plus left. Do this also for 30 seconds. Take a rest of 30 seconds. Our second exercise is glute kickback pulses right. Do this also for 30 seconds. Our second exercise is crossover with right leg. Do this also for 30 seconds. Take a rest of 30 seconds. Our second exercise is crossover with right leg. Do this also for 30 seconds. Our last but not least exercise is this pawn knee flutter kicks. Do this also for 30 seconds. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe my channel for more. Thank you for watching this video.